Hey, this is Mr. J. Hi. Today we're talking about the SK hacking, and this is our advanced video for Tuesday, April the 29th, 2025. South Korea, it's definitely B for bad news. You can see all these people waiting in line, right, trying to replace their cards. Let's look at our words first. We have SK Telecom. We have USIM card, server, hacking, reservation, safe, protection service, network, security, malware, appointment, replace, cyber security, fraud, and police. Those are our words that relate to the news. All right, here we go. SK Telecom is giving out free new USIM cards after hackers attacked its server. Oh my. Many people rushed to stores to get replacements because they were worried about hacking. Some stores ran out of cards and people had to make reservations. Experts say replacing the card will make your phone safe again. SK Telecom also made a special protection service that blocks bad phones from using your number, and 5 million more cards by May. Let's see. Even though people are scared, the government said a recent bank scam in Busan was not caused by the USIM problem. Still, scary stuff, right? I used to have SK, but now I have KT, so I'm glad about that. KT, yeah. Anyways, why are people replacing their USIM cards? What does SK Telecom offer to protect phones? What do customers need if the store runs out of cards? Is the bank theft linked to the USIM hacking? And how many USIM cards does SK plan to get by May? How many more cards are they going to get or make? Okay, let's go down to our word of the day. Finch. We're doing bird words, right? And today's bird is finch, but you know what the non-bird meaning of finch is? It's kind of hard to tell by this picture. So let's start. Finch. Here we go. It's a small, colorful songbird with a short, strong beak, known for cheerful singing, right? And it has good, nice singing sounds. All right, the non-bird meaning finch, an inexperienced or young person, especially one who is naive. Okay, so I guess in the picture, this is a finch, someone, a new employee who doesn't really know what they're doing, maybe. All right, and pronunciation, it's easy enough, right? Here's the spelling, and then the pronunciation is like the same exact as the spelling. There's really no other way to write that, I think. Just one syllable. And let's see some example sentences. The finch built its nest in the tall tree near the garden. And the non-bird meaning, even though he's a finch in the business, he's eager to learn. Okay. Weather for Wednesday, April the 30th. That's tomorrow. In Seoul, there's a high of 27, a low of 13. And it will be mostly sunny in the morning, followed by sun and areas of high clouds in the afternoon. Whew, that's a long one. And let's see, Beijing, China, high of 22, a low of 10. And it will be very windy in the afternoon. Otherwise, clouds and sun with a brief shower or two. Okay. And Tokyo, Japan, it will have a high of 24, a low of 13. And it will be nice with plenty of sunshine. That's a nice, more simple way to talk about the weather, isn't it? All right, guys, we talked about the weather. We talked about finch. And we also talked about what? Yeah, we talked about SK hacking. Hopefully you don't have SK. Do you have SK? If you do, did you get a new USIM card if you're in Korea? And what about your own country if you're not in Korea? What's the best phone company, I wonder? Tell me about it. All right, guys, that's it for today. I brought up my keyboard for some reason. Let's ignore that. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.